Oh snap. So today we are doing quite the job. We're dropping this whole area on the inside down about 2 feet. We're going to keep this up level and have it slope along with the fence with the new trees. I got to scrape up the whole yard and I'm bringing in topsoil. Soon we'll have a new sprinkler system, new lawn. Oh, this is exciting. Sweet. Well, it's coming along. It's all going to be nicely leveled. And then the retaining wall is going to go in along the edge there. Well, we're left with quite a mess. But before I put the new lawn in, I have to build my retaining wall. So, I have leveled it off all the way to the end. And before the blocks come in, I have to make sure the ground is level. I will put down gravel, make sure that's level, and then I'll put the blocks in. And there we go, 75 feet of wall. Now I just have to buy patio bricks and I will put those as the little caps on the top of the wall.